My question to Colin is, what impact has early stripe rust control made to rust incursions this year?
Hi, Colin Wellings here. I'm a plant pathologist with the New South Wales Department of Primary Industries and working with colleagues at the Cereal Rust Laboratory at the University of Sydney. In our time together, I'm just going to briefly bring you up to date with the situation with stripe rust in the current season, give you some ideas about how we can position our canopies and our crops to capture the best that the spring will offer us in the 2011 season. As you're no doubt aware, we had quite a wet season over 2010-2011, every opportunity for rusts to survive over that period, and yet surprisingly, the stripe rust epidemic began relatively late this year compared to earlier years. So disease began to appear in commercial crops in July, representing a 6 to 8 week delay in the beginning of the epidemic. Now that was good news. The later we can start an epidemic onset, the more chance we have of containing the disease and keeping inoculum to manageable levels. And that appears to be the case at the present time. So that's largely due to growers taking up options for early disease protection, including fungicides on fertiliser and in furrow, on seed, and also tank mixing herbicides with fungicides for that combination early broadleaf control and disease management, including rusts and also some of the necrotrophic diseases. So putting these two things together, we've certainly had a later start of the epidemic, and that's good news. The pathotypes coming into the survey thus far have been dominated by the WA17 pathotype, and so growers growing particular varieties that are known to be vulnerable